Hi, this is Deepak here. So I'll be explaining about my alarm project. So basically, I've created an HTML page here, given all the uh, necessary IDs and classes here. So this is for the digital clock. This is the current time. This is for the input tag. For the input user to give the input, and I have used input tag here. So this is alarm list. The H2 used H2 tag here just to display the alarm below this. Okay, now when coming to CSS file, I've given a display aspects for the entire body, flex direction as column so that it look better, and I've given some background images and all. I've added a styling to this H1 tag. I've created an animation here, so it will be blinking for every 1.5 seconds here. I've done that here, and I've given all the necessary styling for the current time and all the tags. And coming to JavaScript, entire function is for displaying the current time. This digital clock, displaying this digital clock, and I have converted this 24-hour format to 12-hour format. And later on, I've created an empty array, and I've taken all the necessary DOMs to the required variables. Then once if I by giving an input after clicking set alarm button, I've, I've given this set alarm button as add alarm. Once I go to add alarm, it checks the condition. It sees if the value, if the given value is valid or not. So practically, if it's more than 12, it gives an alert message. You can see here, if it's more 12 and above, it gives the entire valid number. Since the timing is only till 12, later on I've stored all this input. If it's valid, I've stored all this input inside a variable, and I've sent it to the alarm array and stored it as an object. Then later on, I have called a function called create list, where it will be creating a list. For example, now 6:35 p.m. Set alarm. A list has been created. So it creates everything, and it creates a delete button also, as shown here. Then later on, I've given set it all function again here, so it will be keep on check. It will be keep on having a track of when this if this given value matches the current time, then we will be getting an alert message here. Then I've given a clear input function here where it will be clearing the input once the user gives the input, it will be cleared here. Then to check the alarm, what I have done is I've taken all the current values again here, and the time zone also AM or PM. So what this does is it uses an for loop. It will go there. It will go to alarm.length. That is our main array, and it will go and it will check for each and every array there inside an object. And each of the other object, it will check for an hour. If it's equal to current hour, it will check for the minute equals to current minute and seconds and time zone, so on. And everything is done. It will give an alert message as done. And this is to delete the function. So if I click on delete, will be deleted from the UI and as well as from the backend also. So I'll show you 6:53 p.m. Give the set alarm. It displays as done. So it matches the current value and it matches as done. And if I delete, it will be deleted. So that's it. That is the alarm project of mine. Thank you.